In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Lovable Dev. By the end, you'll feel confident adding images to your conversations without any hiccups. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Lovable Dev and press Enter. You're looking for the official site in the results. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page before continuing. Look for the recognizable branding and a secure connection in the address bar so you know you've landed in the right place. Once you're on the site, find and click Sign In. If your session is already active, you may be taken straight to your workspace. After you're signed in, head to the chat interface where you typically type messages. At the edge of the chat input, you'll see a small plus icon. That plus icon is your gateway to attachments. Click the plus icon to open the attachment options. From the menu that appears, choose Attach. This opens your device's file picker, which might look a bit different depending on whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or a mobile device. Navigate to the folder where your images are stored. Common places include your Pictures folder, your desktop, or a project directory. Look for familiar formats like JPG, PNG, or GIF, which are widely supported and upload quickly. Select your image and confirm. You should see some indication that the file is preparing to upload. This could be a progress bar, a thumbnail preview, or a brief loading indicator. Give it a moment to finish. Keeping the browser tab active while the upload completes helps avoid interruptions. If the preview appears, take a quick glance to make sure it's the right image and that it looks clear. There's also a faster method if you prefer. Open your File Explorer or Finder. Locate the image in its folder, then click and drag it directly into the chat box. When you hover over the chat area, you'll usually see a drop zone appear. Release the mouse button to drop the image in and wait for the upload to complete. This drag and drop approach is especially handy when you've already got your files open. If you notice the upload taking longer than expected, check your network connection and the file size. Large, high-resolution images can take extra time. Compressing them beforehand can speed things up. And if an upload stalls, cancel and try again. That's it. Search for Lovable Dev, sign in, click the plus icon, choose Attach and pick your image, or simply drag and drop into the chat. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading.